Safety materials. Concrete mixing and quality is very important for concrete or RC structure. Here we saw that the hand mixing is going on. This is not good for quality concrete. That's why we are introducing our existing lab too. Problem statement. What we are facing in our civil shop now, to develop advanced concrete and machinery shop, to prepare manuals and worksheet for advanced concrete and advanced machinery shop. In this the objective of this to introduce the advanced concrete materials with the student. We know that the concrete technology is going rapidly. In developed country, they use fiber reinforced concrete, free stress concrete, although free cast concrete, which is not precisely used in our country. We are going to use it, so we have to develop it in our institute to deliver our students, to prepare the students to have hands-on experiment and to have exposure to equipment and machines. To advanced concrete, we have to borrow some advanced machineries, and this is going to be used in our field. So our students must have to know that using of this equipment and machinery. So we are going to introduce our institute this machinery, this advanced equipments and machineries, to introduce the advanced concrete materials with the student, to enhance the knowledge of students on the effect of various concrete materials and admixture. I mentioned it earlier, to prepare the students to control the quality of concrete. In construction, in civil engineering construction side, concrete is a mother materials. Without concrete, it's impossible to build the world. So quality of concrete is most important. So we are focusing the quality of concrete, in the concrete quality, to emphasize the knowledge on high strength concrete. I earlier mentioned it. To enrich the knowledge and application of safety. Again, safety is important. So we are going to enrich the safety measure. Which is going to propose concrete lab. Previously we see that our existing lab, it is the concrete lab we are going to propose. Here we see that number one, brick crusher machine, which is not in our institute now. Number two, concrete mixture machine. Earlier we see that we used to hand mixing, but we are introducing the concrete mixture machine, which is important to quality control of concrete. Number three, shaking table. This is also important advanced concrete technology, and also we are seeing the admixture. Here the orientation of the fine aggregate coarse aggregate in between the lab. Existing lab, we saw that our coarse aggregate fine aggregates is in our outside, which is not good for those materials. We are going to introduce in our lab. First, selecting a room for concrete lab. Civil shop is in our civil shop. Not only concrete lab, is also geotechnic lab, also transportation lab, all technology in one shop. That's why we are going to introduce only one lab for concrete, because this is important. So we are going to concrete lab on selecting a room for concrete lab. Installing water supply line, concrete connecting electricity line, purchase, acquisition, brick crusher machine, concrete mixer machine. Those are the advanced machine. Our Madam Sanjit also mentioned that the universal testing machine for concrete. This is also we are going to introduce also by knowing from her. Installing brick crusher machine, organized concrete mixing materials and require safety. Key output from this presentation. From this PUA, we are going to find out this output. Concrete lab, 2 manual on concrete mixing design according to BS and SCI code. BS British Standard Course and SCI American